Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can actually enable auto rotate on your iPhone. Let's say maybe you want to watch a video in landscape, or you want to do anything that has to do with landscape on your device. I'm gonna be showing you how you can actually turn on this auto rotate so that your phone can flip to anything you want, to any side you want, very easily. So the first thing you want to do, I want you to swipe down on your iPhone. So let's swipe down. So once you swipe down, you are going to see that if you check this control center, you are going to see we have a lot of things here. But what I want you to focus on is this padlock with a circle. As you can see, this padlock with a circle is turned on. So once this is turned on, your auto rotate will not work. So I want you to tap on it to turn it off. So once you tap on it, you have successfully turned it off. So that means your auto rotation on your iPhone is turned on. So guys, what you want to make sure is that you make sure you turn off this padlock icon so that your auto rotation can work on your iPhone. So guys, I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.